Hi everyone, my name is Google and today I'm going to show you how to create a system restore point in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, you need to right click on the start button and select the system option. This will open a window like this. Next, you need to click on the advanced system settings option located at the right side of the window. This will open the system properties window. In the system properties window, go to the system protection tab. There you will see a section labeled protection settings. Here you need to check if the protection is turned on for your system drive. If it's not, select the system drive and click on the configure button. In the new window that opens, select turn on system protection, adjust the max usage slider to decide how much space you want to allocate for your system protection and then click apply and OK. Now you are ready to create a restore point. To create a system restore point, click on this create button. You will then be prompted to enter a description for the restore point. After entering the description, click create. Windows will now create a system restore point. The process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the process is complete, you will see a message saying the restore point was created successfully. And that's it. Now you know how to create a system restore point in Windows 11.